digital workflow for BLX contains in our office creating guides. So you need what you need. Everything is in diagnostics, library of the abutments, library of the implants, and we have all the scan bodies just to create the restorations in the lab. So anything what you need. Compared BLT and Valor drills, actually it's very hard to realize the difference, but when you are drilling, you feel a very high cutting efficiency. One of the most things which I liked very much with BLX was delivery of the same platform of SRA abutments. So I have exactly the same platform, the same geometry, which is 4.6. So it means that I don't need to change my impression analogs, impression copings, and I have the same flux for photogrammetry. For colleagues who didn't try yet BLX Guided, I have to say that it can be very precise and accurate, but you need to respect the design of the implant. This is demanding implant. I love it because of primer stability, but you have to be careful when you place it guided. So we are able to achieve accuracy below 1 millimeter, in some of the cases 0.2, 0.6 millimeter deviation, and we are really very precise.